Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply DHgate coupon. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to apply your coupon, you'll have to go to the checkout interface. For that, what you have to do is tap on the option card that you can see at the bottom of your screen. If you do not have the items and cart, make sure to add the items and cart. Now you'll be able to see the items that you've added to cart over here. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for checkout. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, from here you'll be able to place the order. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the options like item subtotal, shipping cost, saved, etc. Over here you'll be able to find the option for coupon code. What you have to do is tap on the filled enter code here. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the coupon code. All you have to do is enter the coupon code over here. Make sure to enter the correct coupon code. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now if your coupon code is correct, that particular coupon will be applied and you'll be able to get the discounts on your purchase. So like this, you'll be able to apply the coupon. So that is how you apply DHgate coupon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.